They told you everything was waiting for you. They told you everything was set in stone. 'Cause you're royal, you're rebel, you're more than one together. However you go, ever and ever after high.
Come on, Reyven. What's the hatter?
It's Apple. She's really upset about Legacy Day. I wish I could do something to make Apple feel better.
Like all fairy tale princesses, she needs an arch enemy to be the end to her yang and make her feel complete.
So, I just need to find someone to take my place as Apple's storybook nemesis.
I'll do it. It's always been my dream to be the evilest pig this school ever saw. Ba-ba-bum! Ah! Hey, Reyven, I did something diabolical. I switched the yellow mustard for the brown mustard.
Wow, these hot dogs are great. I know. I think it's the new mustard.
Okay. I'm gonna drop dangerous gas-filled balloons on unsuspecting students. Ba-ba-bum!
Really? What kind of gas did you fill them with?
Helium.
Okay, helium is not dangerous. It does this.
I heard you're trying to find an evil replacement to make me happy. That is so mean.
Excuse me?
You and I are supposed to be frenemies.
But I don't want to. I want to choose my own destiny. Why can't you understand that?
I can't believe you're doing this.
Girls! Hi. I don't want to be an evil queen anymore.
Didn't you say this was your big dream?
Oh, that was this morning. Now I want to be a lunatic. Ba-ba-bum!
And so the struggle continues at Ever After High. Maybe things will just magically work out.
Yeah, when pigs fly.